Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with no service or searching, no SIM card or SIM failure invalid error on iPhone 15 Pro Max and 15 Plus. And if you're having the trouble, this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is we have to toggle on the airplane mode and you have to check. For that we have to go over here at the top. Now try turning on the airplane mode from here. Just wait for a couple of seconds and you can just turn it off and you have to check. This is the first and foremost step you can try. Next one is all about you can try a normal restart on your iPhone. Sometimes doing it can fix the issue up. So we can just give the command to the Siri to do restart on your device. So let me show you. I'm just going to ask the Siri to do the same. Just do the same on any case if you're watching this video as well. So what I need to do is, hey Siri, please restart my iPhone. Now it is asking you for the restart, so just go for the restart and you have to check. So this, for some reason, for some people this even help it, so you can try the same step as well. Next one is all about if you're having the SIM, try ejecting it and reinsert it back. Sometimes it might even cause the issue up as well, so try insert back the SIM and you have to check whether the issue is solved. Moving to the first step is all about what you need to do is we have to make one change in the content and privacy restriction. For that reason, go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here scroll down a little bit and navigate to the screen time over here. Now from here we have to scroll down a little bit and tap on the content and privacy restriction, and from here we have to go over here at the bottom. You can see these kind of things. Now go to the mobile data here and make sure this should be given access to allow. If it is don't allow, that is one of the reasons why you're occurring with this kind of error. So make sure that you change into allow, and what you need to do is we just need to go back to the settings over here, and now we need to do the reset network settings to be done. So go over here at the top and tap on general here. Now we have to scroll it down all the way down, and there is an option called transfer or reset iPhone. You have to tap on it and go to the reset, and there is an option called reset network settings. While doing this, it's going to give a complete kind of a refresh. So you'll be losing all kind of things like the Wi-Fi, saved password and all those things. But even if you're encountering with this kind of trouble, this is going to save a lot of time. So try doing this and you have to check. The last and the least step is all about after trying all these steps, if still the issue is there, it might be an issue with your SIM. So try replacing the SIM with a new one. You have to request a new one and get a new one, and you have to insert it back and you have to check. So these are the steps, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.